Welcome civil engineers, learn faster with civil engineering tips. Today we are going to learn about the line command. Previously I made the video of ribbon command on and off. Here I on the ribbon command. Here you can see the line. I'm making this ribbon command on so that I can show all the possible ways how we can do. So here is the line. You can simply select it and you can make it line, or let's delete it, or you can type L and here you can see the L for shortcut key and line command, and then press enter or L space. Here the line command will active. So select and delete. So when you type the command and press your cursor here in the line, it will show how you will make line and its description, which you can see in the first video of units. So let's press the line command L space, and here after using command always look at this command line. So what is telling, specify the first point. So select anywhere on the screen, and after selecting you can see the command line specify next point or undo on. So specifying next point by clicking the left click on the mouse, so you can continue the line, or if you don't want to continue the line, let's delete it. You can on the line command make line and then press escape, or simply you can make line and then press space. And for repeating the same command you can again type space command off, and again press space, same command repeats, and then if you don't want to continue then press space. So the main thing is, when you type command, it is necessary to see the command and then the command line. Hope now you can make the lines in Autocad faster within a second. Okay, like, share and subscribe to Civil Engineering Tips for learning faster. Peace out.